This is my Tomtoc X-pac sling bag, and let's unbox, or I say unpack it now, yeah. This as well. And this actually tells a lot. Yep. It's compatible with a 8-inch iPad mini, switch OLED, switch light, which looks like this when you are wearing it. But I think this is just the old one. Yeah, this is not the X-pac. The X-pac looks way much better with a different logo. Yeah, they're just using the same packaging. Yeah. So all right, just put this away. And this is the X-pac, whereby they have a different material, which is X-pac, inspired by advanced sailcloth technology, performance laminate fabrics, incredible durable, 100% waterproof, constructed to the highest quality standards. Okay, so it's waterproof, yeah. And what else we have here? There's a new logo, which is here, and warranty get up to 2 years. Okay, and the YKK zip. Those are the brands, yeah. You just cut this off, and you can see that the Tomtoc logo is no longer the previous one, no longer like this. Yep. And this is a very nice sling bag, and I believe there's something inside when I press on it. Yeah, that's this is the one, yeah, the belt itself. Yeah, this is where you put in the buckle. Yep. And this buckle is now made of metal. Not too sure what is the material, but this is still plastic. So I can just take this out. And I'm buckling it up. Nice. And Duraflex. Yeah, there's a logo here, Duraflex. Nice. So let's check out the compartments. Okay, this is a YKK zipper, and it comes with yep, this is where you can keep your key safe. So inside here it's an orange, bright orange, and it's like a waterproof material, nylon of course, and there's 2 pockets here, and I think this is identical to the normal one that you see. Yep, just the inside it's in bright orange. And check out this part. The inside it's Tomtoc, just like the previous logo here, but yeah, you can see that there's an X-pac logo here as well, meaning that it's using a different technology. So over here there's 2 small pockets as well, one behind here to store your Switch, iPad mini, whatever, and over here to store your whatever else, yeah, a bottle maybe. And yeah, pretty simple. That's about it. Yep. And I do believe there's one more. Yep, there's one more behind here. Yep, orange as well. And as you can see, the zip here, this is like a waterproof material as well, so it's better than the previous one, I would say. the one that you have in here. This is not waterproof, I mean this place itself. And over here, I think this should be the same as the previous one. So this material itself feels a little bit different from behind. I think this is where the X-pac's material goes to. X-pac, yep, X-pac. Yeah, laminate fabrics, which is durable and 100% waterproof. So this part is all waterproof. This is not. Yeah, you can see this. There's some sort of a rubberized material on top here, whereas this is not, but this is covered, so I assume this is okay. And this is also not covered in this rubberized material, so this is exposed outside, okay to have it rubberized. This is hidden, so it's okay. And when you're wearing it, this is in front, this is at the back, so I think those waters, the drops coming in here, it's just nice. Yeah, you can just wipe it off since it's waterproof, isn't it? So there you go, that's how it looks like. Pretty simple, and it's slightly heavier than the previous one. I think it's because of this metal buckle here. Let me just try. Yeah, it's metal buckle, so it's great. It's black, and the difference between this and this, as you can see from here, is this is plain with no lines. This is some lines here, checkered lines, I think. Yeah, so you can see that, right? So that's about it. Not, if you don't really look close to it, you can't really tell the difference, but I think this is a little shiny as well, a bit glossy. I think this is because of the material. If it's this material, this is not. Yep, I think there's they applied another layer of coating for the rain protections. That's why it's slightly glossy, and this is not. So inside you can actually feel there is some sort of cushioning here, pretty thick I would say, so it should be quite safe for you to put your iPad mini or your Switch over here. But in front there isn't any cushions or any paddings at all. Yeah, so maybe you can put something in front here, yeah, to block whatever hitting here. You hit your bottle first, for example, or your power bank, yeah, before it hits the part here. So in between you can also put something here. So anything that is in the middle should be quite safe. Now the new logo looks really cool. It's metal, sort of like, and it's glossy. This resembles a T. You get to see the same T here as well as this part. Pretty cool, yeah. And what I like the most is that it's all in black. Really great. So that's it for today's review. It's more like unpacking of this and to show you the outlook of it. And in my coming videos, I will be showing you the comparison of this with my ongoing one, yeah, the one that I'm using right now, which looks almost exactly like this. We'll see what's the differences. Yeah, they're still selling this, by the way, at I think 100 ringgit difference. That's about $25 difference. So what makes it different from this and the normal one? Yeah, this is the X-pac. That's the normal one, the basic one. So we'll see what's the differences and what you can really fit in here. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much, and be sure to subscribe, yep, so that you get to see more of this. Thank you. Bye.